Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today to show you how I achieved this delicious oven grilled tilapia. The recipe is so delicious. Come on, come in. Let's get to the kitchen and get started. First of all, let me introduce you to the ingredients. Yes, so we have our clean and washed vegetables. First is our ginger and then our garlic, our scotch bonnet pepper, our red onions, and then our bell peppers. We have the red, the yellow, and then the green bell peppers. Yeah, so let's add some water for the blades of the blender to easily turn around. And now let's add some cloves and some grain of saline. Let's quickly blend our ingredients and then start to coat our tilapia. I can't wait, guys. I can't wait. Now that it's all done, let's transfer the aromatic ingredients in a nice bowl. Yes, that's our tilapia, guys. So we're going to season our aromatic ingredients. That's our black pepper, and that's some tablet, and also some fish seasoning. That's it. Yeah, a fish seasoning. And lastly, the salt to taste. So let's mix it together and then start to coat our tilapia. So with your hands covered, you start to coat the fish. Because if your hand is not covered with something, guys, your hand is going to burn. So you make sure your hand is covered before you do this coating. Also, try as much as possible to put some of the aromatic ingredients in all the openings of the fish. I mean the head area, the openings in the head area, and also the tummy area. This will make the fish taste good everywhere. Like when you taste the fish after it's all done, you will know that yeah, this fish or this tilapia is really tasty. So make that a point to do that. Don't only coat the outside but coat inside as well. So we are done with the coating and it's time for us to take the tilapia into our preheated oven. And this is what I'm using, guys, because I don't want to ruin the tilapia when I'm trying to turn it over in the oven. So this is going to make it so easy for me to turn it over. Yeah, so yeah, guys, can you see that? Yeah, I'll just turn it over so easily and not ruin the tilapia. I'm so in love with this, so in love with it. So while the tilapia is in the oven, let's prep our vegetables for garnishing and also for eating the tilapia. Mostly I enjoy my tilapia with vegetables. It doesn't feel well for me to like eat it all by itself. I have to enjoy it with some vegetables. So we have these vegetables today: red onions, cucumber, bell peppers, tomatoes, guys. So Let's chop up all these vegetables, and by the time we are done, hopefully the tilapia too will be done and we will serve ourselves. Thank you for watching this video till this point. I hope you are inspired. If you are new on this channel, we would love to have you here. Click on the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I upload new videos. And I promise you will never regret joining this family. If you are an OG of this channel, thank you for coming back to watch this video. I really appreciate you all. Recommend this channel to friends and families, because on this channel, as you all know, we make appetizing recipes and we make sure that our recipes are heavenly. We are almost done chopping up all our vegetables, and we are on the last one, which is the tomatoes. I'm taking out the seeds, and that's so optional. You can choose to leave it in like that, or you take it out like I'm doing. This dish, guys, is so packed with nutrients. Can you see that? I'm loving my veggies as well. So now let's set it aside and check on our tilapia. Yes, so guys, our tilapia is here. So now let's check it and see how it's been doing in the oven. So far, so good. It smells so good. And yeah, the taste is also so good. We are done with one half, and now let's do the other half. Let's spray some coconut oil and also put some aromatic ingredients on the other half. Let's take it back into the oven, and it should be ready in some few minutes. Since we are going to enjoy this tilapia with some banku, I decided to grind some vegetables, tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, and some onions. Also some salt to taste. You can as well blend it. So let's transfer it into a nice bowl. This banku tilapia is going to be superb. I'm going to enjoy it for you guys. Since you cannot come to my house, I'll do all the tasting for you. So because of the banku and tilapia, I quickly made some black pepper sauce, and yeah, it's so tasty as well. So everything is tasty. So the whole meal is tasty. The tilapia is all done. So this time, guys, let's be careful because we don't want to ruin our tilapia. Let's do this carefully. Let's handle it carefully. Yeah, we didn't ruin it. We didn't ruin it. So it looks so good and it's so intact. It's so perfect. It's so moist and soft. It smells good. The aroma is so heavenly. So we're going to garnish our tilapia with our vegetables. And guys, you can all imagine this food here, this meal is so packed with nutrients. It's packed. You can all see for yourself that it's so packed with nutrients. Let's give it some 360 for you to see. It looks so good. It looks so good. It tastes so good as well. Thanks for liking, sharing, commenting. Above all, thanks for subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I upload new videos. So guys, let's form the queue now. It's time for tasting. I'm giving you all 2 minutes to get to my house. If I don't see any queue here, then I'll do the tasting for all of you, okay? I can't wait. My mouth is already watery. Oh, guys, this house is so heavy right now. Thanks for watching, and I love you all. Bye bye.